Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's explore the simple process of upgrading your subscription plan on Murf AI. It's easier than you might imagine. To begin, log in into your Murf AI account. Once you are in, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find an intriguing option that reads Upgrade Plan. As you embark on this upgrade journey, you will be presented with three appealing pricing tiers. First up, we have our beloved standard plan, which comes at no cost. For those seeking more, the basic plan is available for $19, the Pro plan for $26, and the comprehensive enterprise plan for $75. It's all about choosing the plan that perfectly matches your creative ambitions. With your chosen plan in mind, take the next step and confidently click the Buy Plan button. This decision propels you into a world where creative limitations are a thing of the past. And there you have it, a seamless way to elevate your creative journey through an upgraded subscription plan. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.